Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the bones, types of bones. Previous lectures I have discussed about different types of bones: backbones, rib cage, skull, and breast bones, different bones. Today we are going to discuss about the hip bones, bones of hand, and cartilage. These are also types of bones. Hip bones. What is where will you find in your body hip bones? So the hip bones form a large basin-shaped frame at the lower end and of the backbone, to which legs are attached. Your legs attached to your backbones by the help of the hip bones. The hip bone encloses the portion of our body below to the stomach. Your stomach and below parts of the body enclosed by the hip bones. So the thigh bones of our legs are joined to the hip bones. Thigh bones of our legs joined to the hip bones by the ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joints means move only one side, like this. Ball and socket joints. Ball and socket, like this. Ball socket joints. So actually hip bones forms the link between upper part of our body and the legs. What is hip bones? Hip bones join to the upper part of the body to our legs. Between this means upper part of the body and legs. Between this portion is known as the hip bone. So what is the function of hip bones? We should know about the functions of hip bones. Actually, I have discussed different functions of the different bones. So, what is the functions, important functions of hip bones? So, hip bones support and protects the lower organs of the body, such as intestine, urinary bladder, and internal sex organs. Means hip bones protect to our lower parts, lower organs of the body. Lower organs, not parts of the body. Next functions, next features of the hip bones. Hip bones attach the legs to our body. Means legs attached to our body by the help of hip bones. Next, hip bones provide size for the attachment of muscles that move legs, hips and trunk. Legs, hips and trunk. These parts of our body is known as a trunk. Trunk and legs joined by the hip. So hip provides the movement of our different parts of the body. So these are the features of the hip bones. And after hip bones, bones of hand. Bones of hand, it is your hand. So our hand is made up of three bones: wrist, palms, fingers. Wrist, palm and fingers. Our hand is made up of three parts. Wrist, this is wrist. Palms and these fingers. The wrist consists of 8 small bones. How many small bones consist in the wrist part of the finger? And 8 small bones. And these small bones known as a carpals. 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 And after wrist, the palm of a hand is the palm of a hand composed of 5 longer bones called metacarpals. What? Metacarpals. Metacarpals. And next, your finger. In each finger means there are 3 bones in each finger. This finger, this finger, this and this. There are in 4 fingers having 3 bones, but in thumb only 2 bones. And these bones known as the phalanges. 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 These are the name of the bones of your hand. These bones, carpals you will find in your wrist, metacarpals you will find in your palms, and phalanges you will find in your finger. There are 5 fingers. In 5 fingers having 3 bones and thumbs having 2 bones. These are the features of the hands. Next, cartilage. What is the cartilage? Cartilage neither very hard, soft bones nor very loose. Cartilage you will move anywhere. Very soft materials. Cartilage, most of the skeleton consists of hard bones. Skull, hip, breast, rib cage, hand, finger, wrist, every parts of the bodies. Means most skeletons are having hard bones. But some places in the skeleton there is a cartilage, means material which is so not hard as well as not so soft, means which can be bent easily. Hard bones you cannot bend easily, but some materials in your skeleton, some places which can be bent easily, that parts is known as the cartilage. Where will you find the cartilage? Cartilage is a kind of softer and elastic bone. What is a cartilage? Cartilage is a kind of softer and elastic bone. Elastic means flexible. Cartilage types of bones you will find in your ear, nose. Upper part of ear is known as a pinna. Cartilage is present in the pinna of ears. Means upper part, this part is known as a pinna, and you will find in pinna parts cartilage types of bones which can be bent easily. Nose, lower part of the nose, cartilage is found at the end of the nose. It is also can be bent easily. Cartilage is also present between the vertebrae and backbone. This is backbone and this is vertebrae. Vertebrae, between vertebrae and backbone you will find the cartilage. So, cartilage gives support and shape to the ear. So, it is the presence of cartilage which gives support and shape to our nose. With the help of cartilage, you will find the shape and support of our nose. With the help of cartilage, you will find shape and support of your ear. So, the presence of cartilage is between vertebrae and backbone, flexible so that it can be bent. Means between backbone and vertebrae, we will find the flexible materials, cartilage. That's why we will bend easily. Otherwise, you cannot bend easily. So these are the properties of the cartilage. These are the health and types of the bones. Hip bones, cartilage, bones of hand, rib cage, backbone, skull, shoulder bone. These are the different types of bones. After this, we will discuss about the joints of the body. Different parts of the body, different bones of the body is joined to each other. But every joint is not same. So, we will discuss about the joints of the body in next lecture. Okay, thank you.